To use Samsung Dex Mode or desktop mode wirelessly on a smart TV, let us see what to do. Now the first thing is the Samsung desktop mode only works with high-end Samsung phones like S24, S25, S26, etc. And if you want to use it on a TV, you should be able to screencast your phone to a. Nowadays almost all of these smart TV can be used to screencast. The first thing is you will check if your phone supports Samsung desktop mode or not. For that one you will just go to settings here. There is an option connected device, open it. And if you see there is Samsung Dex option, that means your phone can use the desktop mode. After this, the next step is make sure that Bluetooth is enabled in your Samsung phone. So I will go to settings, connections, and make sure that this Bluetooth is enabled. So after this much is done, I will open the TV, and once I switch on the TV, I will go to this settings here, go to connected devices, and go to this option Samsung Dex. Instead of this one, you can also open the notification panel, pull it down, and there is an option here wireless Dex. You can just tap on this option here and it will search for the TV. So this is my TV. So my TV is already being detected. So I will select this option, start now. Now my phone is already connected to my TV. Now if you see, my Samsung phone is already connected to the TV, and I can use my Samsung phone screen as a mouse pad. So if I move my finger, then you can see on the screen the mouse is moving. So now I can use my Samsung phone as a computer. So I can point the mouse pointer to any application and double tap to open it like this one. So you can use multiple application. So if I'm using this note here, then I can open Google also. So I will be able to use multiple applications at a time like in a computer. Now if I have to disconnect the Samsung desktop mode, then here there is a cross icon. It's not that clear, but I can see. So I will double tap on this cross icon here, and you can see the trackpad closes. Still my Samsung phone is connected to the smart TV. So I will again open the notification panel, again pull it down, and then I will turn off this wireless desk option, and my phone will be disconnected from the TV. So in this way you can use Samsung desktop mode wirelessly on a smart TV. If this video has really helped you, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.